Imagine hosting a lively family gathering or a cozy game night party, where the aroma of golden, crispy fries and juicy chicken wings fills the air, without the guilt of greasy, oil-heavy cooking. This Allcool Air Fryer Oven 8-quart transforms this vision into reality, blending cutting-edge technology with user-friendly design to deliver mouth-watering, healthy meals. In this review, we'll dive into why this 8-in-1 air fryer is a game-changer for home cooks, from its massive capacity to its effortless cleanup. Whether you're a busy parent, a health-conscious foodie, or a party host, this fryer is about to become your kitchen MVP. Let's explore what makes it stand out. Why the Allcool Air Fryer Oven 8-quart shines. The Allcool Air Fryer isn't just another kitchen gadget, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Designed to make cooking faster, healthier, and more enjoyable, this 1700-watt powerhouse tackles everything from crispy snacks to full family dinners with ease. Its sleek white design, intuitive touchscreen, and dishwasher-safe components make it as practical as it is powerful. But what truly sets it apart? Let's break down the features that make this air fryer a must-have. Key features that spark joy in the kitchen. 8-quart. Super large capacity. Feed a crowd without breaking a sweat. This air fryer can handle a 3-pound whole chicken, 18 chicken wings, or 800 grams of fries, making it ideal for families of 1 to 8 or small gatherings. 8-in-1 versatility with one-touch presets. Choose from 8 pre-programmed settings for fries, wings, steaks, and more. Customize time, up to 30 minutes, and temperature, 180 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, for perfect results every time. Oil-free, healthy cooking. Using 360-degree hot air circulation and 5 powerful heating tubes, it cuts oil use by 85%, delivering crispy textures and juicy flavors without the fat. Dishwasher-safe nonstick basket. The PTFE-coated basket and tray clean up in a snap, leaving no greasy residue. Toss them in the dishwasher and reclaim your evening. 36 Recipe Cookbook. Included, from novice to pro, the included recipes guide you through delicious dishes, making every meal a breeze. Safe and eco-friendly. BPA and PFOA-free materials plus ETL-listed safety certification ensure peace of mind. Less steam and odor mean a cleaner kitchen. Benefits that make every meal a win. Healthier indulgence. Craving fried foods but watching your waistline? The Allcool Air Fryer slashes fat content by 85%, letting you enjoy fries, wings, and more guilt-free. It's a win for your taste buds and your wellness goals. Time-saving convenience. With one-touch presets and rapid air circulation, meals are ready in minutes. Spend less time cooking and more time savoring with loved ones. Party-ready capacity. The 8-quart basket means you can cook for a crowd without juggling multiple batches. Host with confidence, knowing everyone's plate will be full. Effortless cleanup. Say goodbye to scrubbing greasy pans. The non-stick dishwasher-safe basket makes post-meal cleanup a breeze, giving you more time to relax. Versatility for every craving. From seafood to snacks, this air fryer's 8-in-1 functionality handles it all. Experiment with new recipes or stick to classics. It's your call. Who's the Allcool Air Fryer Oven 8-quart for? This air fryer is a dream for anyone who loves delicious food but hates the hassle of traditional frying. It's perfect for busy families. Feed 1 to 8 people with ease, from weeknight dinners to weekend feasts. Health-conscious cooks. Enjoy fried favorites with less oil and fewer calories. Party hosts. Impress guests with crispy, crowd-pleasing dishes without slaving in the kitchen. Beginner cooks. The included 36 recipe cookbook and one-touch presets make cooking foolproof. Eco-minded households. Reduce oil waste and kitchen odors while using safe, chemical-free materials. Real-world performance Why it delivers. I tested the Allcool Air Fryer with a variety of dishes, from classic fries to a whole roast chicken, and it consistently impressed. The fries came out golden and crunchy with just a spritz of oil, while the chicken was tender and juicy inside with a perfectly crisp skin. The touchscreen is intuitive, and the presets take the guesswork out of cooking. Cleanup? A total non-issue. Pop the basket in the dishwasher, and you're done. Why you should buy the Allcool Air Fryer Oven 8 quart. If you're tired of greasy, time-consuming cooking methods, the Allcool Air Fryer Oven 8 quart is your ticket to healthier, hassle-free meals. Its massive capacity, versatile presets, and easy cleanup make it a standout for families, foodies, and anyone who values convenience. Whether you're whipping up a quick snack or hosting a dinner party, this air fryer delivers crispy, delicious results every time. Don't miss out on transforming your kitchen routine. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.